Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting Lens ready because this is the only reliable circle-to-search method on Android. Open the Google app, tap More or Settings, then select Google Lens and grant camera and storage permissions. Once done, make sure Lens appears as an icon in the search bar or within the camera app. You need to be signed into a Google account. This ties results to Lens processing. Now you're ready to capture or select an image to circle for a precise search. Now you perform the core action. Get the image you'll circle. Open Lens, then either tap the gallery icon to import a photo or switch to the camera and take a clean shot. Once the image is loaded, use pinch gestures to zoom in on the area of interest and steady your hand for clarity. You want a focus subject so Lens can identify details. After framing, tap the screen to let Lens analyze the scene. You'll see selectable regions and markers appear. Finally, you draw the search. Use the Lens selection tool to circle or tap the specific object or area you want identified. Once circled, Lens runs visual recognition and returns matches, product links, or text extraction depending on the mode. If the result is too broad, refine by cropping tighter or switching lens modes, for example, shopping for products or text for OCR. Troubleshoot by taking a clearer photo, adding surrounding context, or toggling autofocus. This fixes most recognition errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.